Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Hello friends, and welcome to our channel TubeCore, and in this video we are going to take a look at this video hosting software called Bolt. So this is a Bolt review, and as you can see at the top of the page, it shows Visia or Visia, whatever you pronounce. Vimeo Clear is here for low one-time price, brand new lightning fast all-in-one video hosting, video player, video marketing software that boosts engagements, gets you free traffic and more views for a low one-time payment. Now, not long ago I have seen the same thing. So let's say like 6 hours ago I did a review about Vidly Pro. Here you see this website vidlypro.com, and it says the same thing: a lightning fast video hosting player marketing software for a record low one-time Visia Vimeo. So you match this line here, which Visia Vimeo Clear is here for low one-time price, and then come to the Bolt website and it says the same thing: Visia Vimeo Clear is here for low one-time price. Okay, but the question here is, who is copying whom? Okay, whether this grabbolt.com is copying Vidly Pro or Vidly Pro has copied bolt.com. I don't know the answer. You tell me in the comment section below who is copying whom. Okay, I'll tell you some secrets, or I'll give you some hints so that you can figure out which is the genuine product and who is being copied. Okay, now before we get into all the details and I start giving you hints and I explain and expose everything, make sure we go through some disclaimers first of all, because secret is out. In order to make money online, you need to stop losing money online. Even though this particular review is not about make money online software, this is a video hosting software, so this one is not going to make you any money, but this is my job to educate and tell you that if you're here trying to make some money online on the internet, first of all, make sure you stop buying make money online offers, because they will not make you any money. Okay, so stop losing money. Second, we are going to talk about the bonuses here, because those affiliates which you see on YouTube, they try to give you $10,000 bonus, $20,000 bonus, my bonus, your bonus, bullshit bonus. Okay, so these people are going to brainwash you by giving you some crap bonuses. We will expose everything in the end of the video, how this bonus concept works. Okay, and the last thing I want you to do before we start the review is subscribe to this channel, because subscribing to the channel is free. There's no charge for subscribing. And also press the bell notification and like this video. Subscribe, like is always free. Okay, because this channel saves your money. Okay, I'm not talking anything in the air. I am going to save your money in the long run. So this channel is all about saving your money. We are not here to sell you crap. Okay, now let's get back to the website here, which is grabbolt.com. Now let me give you the first hint. Who is the first producer of this software? Because if you go back to vidlypro.com, vidlypro.com has been launched on 1st of July 2021. The date of Vidly Pro launch was 1st of July 2021, and this Bolt software is going to be launched on 6th of July 2021. So now you can do the math that which product has launched first and which one is going to be launched second, and then you can decide who was the primary source or the creator of the original product. Maybe it was Vidly Pro. I don't know who has stolen whose concept. I don't know. Okay, but let's continue with this Bolt review, because I have done this Vidly Pro review already. So it's the same thing. It's all copy and paste. Whatever you see on this Vidly Pro website, the same features and everything is on the Bolt website as well. So what I'll do is, instead of me wasting my energy, I will put the link of this Vidly Pro video in the description box, because Bolt is the duplicate of Vidly Pro. Okay, so this Bolt software which you see, it's 100% duplicate of Vidly Pro, and even you can match these photos. Okay, so right now on Bolt website we have these two screenshots. Okay, now let's go to Vidly Pro and let's see if we can find the same screenshots on Vidly Pro or not. So just hang on, I'll find that for you. maybe or maybe not. I did see some screenshots. We have to go up to the top. Okay, there you go. Now you can just match. It is 2 copy. It's 100% duplicate. So these two photos are on widleypro.com, as you can see here, and if you go to grabbold.com, you have the same photos. Okay, so grabbold.com, I can say it's a duplicate of widleypro.com. I don't know, who is the original creator, but both are duplicate of each other. Okay, but I'm taking here widleypro as a first product because it was launched before. Now you don't have to waste so much time, because as I said, I will not waste my energy because I already have reviewed widleypro, and I'll put the link in the description below so that you can watch that review. And the bolt is the same thing as widleypro. Okay, so I don't have to tell you anything extra. If you want to buy, you can buy either widleypro or bolt. They're the same thing. They will not do anything different than each other, so you can grab copy if you want to. But apart from that, here, if you're looking to make some money online, I have only 2 suggestions. Either you make YouTube videos, start your YouTube channel if you have speaking skills, if you can talk on camera or maybe just on the mic. So just speak, you make YouTube videos, and you will make some money within 2, 3, 4 months. Or else, if you can't do that, then start your own blog or a website and write reviews or write blogs. Okay, so with the time, when you do SEO of your blogs, you will get some organic traffic, and that's how you will make some sales. This has to be your long-term goal. Nothing is going to work in 24 hours. Okay, what I can do for you is I'll put a link in the description of this video. Once you open that link, you will be taken to this website called getlifesuit.com. Now this is for newbies. So let's say you want to start your own website or your own blog, but you do not have enough money to pay for hosting. So in that case, you can buy this software, lifesuit.com. What it will do for you is that it will provide you unlimited hosting in just one-time cost, which means you don't have to pay every month. So in case you are going to choose GoDaddy or DreamHost or Bluehost, those companies will charge you $10 to $15 per month. But if you do not have that budget, and if you don't want to waste or invest that much money in the beginning, it is better to go for a one-time hosting, and that means that you don't have to pay every month, and you can simply focus on building your blog, building your website. And once you start earning enough, then maybe you can switch to some other hosting in the future if you want to. Otherwise, to start with, this is the best option because it's not gonna charge anything monthly. All right, so again, Bolt and widleypro are the same thing. I'm not gonna waste my speech here in talking about Bolt because I have put in the link of widleypro in the description. You can watch that video. Bolt and Widley both are the same thing. And if you are going to start your blog, make sure you buy the unlimited hosting. The link is in the description below. Before we end the video, let me give you the bonus here. We go to idplr.com. So if you are going to see the reviews on YouTube, a lot of, or maybe like 100% except me, rest affiliates on YouTube are going to sell you these kind of products, and they're going to give you a bunch of bonus scraps, right? They will say that buy from my link and get this bonus, get that bonus. Now, first of all, do you know what bonus means? Bonus is something which gets credited into your bank account as a piece of cash. Okay, if you work in a job, you get Christmas bonus. Okay, you get Easter bonus and other things. So bonus is a hard cash. No affiliate, nobody on YouTube is going to give you hard cash in your bank account. So bonus is only crap. Don't let your mind slip away. Don't get brainwashed by listening bonus, bonus, and bonus. Okay, bonus is a scam. Now, if you still want some bonuses, look at the screen here. You go to this website called idplr.com and you click on free products. Under free products, you have free ebooks, free software, free this, free that. You can click on these categories and you can download as many free bonuses you want. You can download thousands of free ebooks which you can give away to your subscribers as a lead magnet, or you can download some free softwares from here, free videos. You can get as many bonuses you want, and you don't have to worry about other affiliates crapping you about bonuses. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe to the channel and like this video, otherwise you will lose your money in the future because nobody else is going to tell you the truth. Okay, and if you need the hosting, click on the link in the description below, and we will see you shortly with another review video. Thank you for watching.